In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track NSE stocks on Google Sheets with real-time stock prices using Google Finance. If you're someone who desires a simple yet efficient way to monitor stock prices directly from your computer, this video is perfect for you. To get started, open up Google Sheets in your web browser. You can do this by accessing your Google account and navigating to Google Sheets. If you don't have an existing spreadsheet that you'd like to use, you can create a new one by clicking on the blank option, which will open up a fresh sheet ready for use. Once your spreadsheet is open, you'll need to enter a formula into a cell where you want the stock price information to appear. Let's say you're interested in the stock of Reliance Industries on the National Stock Exchange of India, abbreviated as NSE. Click into a cell and type in the following formula, a Google Finance, NSE Reliance, price. Hit enter and the cell will now display the real-time stock price of Reliance Industries. So how does this work exactly? Well, the function Google Finance is a powerful tool that allows you to access financial data directly from various stock exchanges across the globe. The string NSE Reliance within the formula states that you are specifically looking at Reliance Industries on the NSE. The second part, is price, dictates that you want the current trading price of this stock. It's as straightforward as that. Let's break down the syntax a bit further to ensure clarity. The term NSE indicates the National Stock Exchange of India. This is important because Google Finance covers numerous stock exchanges worldwide, so specifying the exchange lets Google know exactly where it needs to pull this data from. Next is the symbol, which refers to a specific stock ticker. Each publicly traded company has its own ticker symbol, like Reliance for Reliance Industries, TCS for Tata Consultancy Services, INFY for Infosys, or HDFC Bank for HDFC Bank. You'll use the company's ticker symbol in the formula to get data on its stock. The attribute, which we set as price in this example, tells Google Finance what specific data you want. The attribute can be modified based on the information you're interested in. Apart from price, there are numerous other attributes you can use, such as volume for the number of shares traded, high for the highest price of the day, and so forth. With just a few steps, you can effortlessly track live data right within your spreadsheet. This simple yet potent tool can help you stay updated with ease, whether you're managing a large portfolio or just curious about a few stocks. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes monitoring NSE stocks a breeze for you.